8:05. Why do we say O? In English, O means 0, so 8:05 is 8:05. Use O with minutes from 1 to 9. Now, let's start simple. What time is it? It's 8. Bob is sleeping. The alarm is ringing. What time is it? It's 8:01. Bob is still sleeping. What time is it? It's 8:02. The alarm is ringing. It's 8:09. Bob is still sleeping. Now look. 8:10. We don't say "oh" here. It's 8:10. Bob does not hear the alarm. It's 8:15. Bob is late. It's 8:30. Bob is running. It's 8:45. Bob is on the bus. It's 8:59. Bob is in the office. Bob is sleeping. One important habit. When telling the time, start with it's. It's 8. It's 8:05. It's 8:30. For full hours, you have two natural options. It's 8 or it's 8 o'clock. We use o'clock only when there are no minutes. It's 1 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. So the pattern is simple. A number like 1, 2, 3, 12 plus a clock. Important. Time format is not the same everywhere. There is a global time format and there is an American time format. Around the world, many people use 24-hour time. In the United States, people often use 12-hour time with AM, PM. On a digital clock in the 12-hour format, look for AM or PM. Here are quick examples. 1300 is 1 p.m. 1400 is 2 p.m. 1500 is 3 p.m. So, AM or PM. What's the difference? Think of the day like a line. AM is from midnight to noon. 12 a.m., 3 a.m., 6 a.m., 9 a.m. PM is from noon to midnight. 12 p.m. The sun is in the sky. 3 p.m., 6 p.m., 9 p.m. And two special words help a lot. 12 a.m. is midnight. 12 p.m. is noon. When do we use AM, PM? In formal situations, the meeting is at 10 a.m. The deadline is at 4 p.m. School starts at 8:15 a.m. In everyday speech, the context is clear. At the bar at 10, we finish at 4 o'clock. School starts at 8:15. Now let's practice. 1. What time is it? 6:30. 2. What time is it? It's 2:15. 3. What time is it? It's 4:45. 4. What time is it? It's 4:05. 5. What time is it? It's 5:20. 6. Which word is missing? It's 9:30. 7. Which word is missing? What? What time is it? 8. Find the mistake. C is missing. Correct. It's 1 o'clock, not o'lock. 9. AM or PM? PM. It's 2 p.m. It is daytime and the sun is up. 10. A.m. or p.m.? A.m. It's 2 a.m. It is night and the moon is up. Write your result in the comments. How many correct answers do you have? See you in the next video. Watch the next lesson in the course.